What's up, guys, man? Next day here, man. We got the bikes in the back. I want to start getting that blue thing cleaned up because the tickets are winding down. We literally only have about maybe 43 at this point. We're filming this video, so who knows how quick they're going to sell out. I just want to have this blue bike all cleaned up for you and good to go one good last time, because after I wipe it down this time, this will be the final time I wipe this bike down, because it will be one of you guys. Man, I can't wait to see where this bike goes. I hope it goes somewhere other than here, man. I mean, if you're in Vegas, that'll be good, but it's definitely not gonna be here in the garage no more. It's gonna belong to one of you guys. So you guys are gonna win a 2018 Harley Davidson, man, for $100. I don't care what kind of question you ask, you're not gonna find this type of Harley, a 2018 at that, M8, for $100 anywhere, man. You only have 150 slots, man. Anybody could win, literally anybody. So I really can't wait to see. But anywho, man, we got the 21 mounted up on the black bike. Now I want to get this thing cleaned down as well, but I gotta tackle this blue one first. It's not that bad. I mean, I've been wiping it down and stuff, but I want to get it, like I said, just get it right for you guys. So gonna clean out the garage in the process and get this thing all cleaned down for the final time, man. So let's get it, dog. Alrighty, guys, got them joints pulled out, back to back, back to back. Man, this thing looks so good lined up together back to back, man. I gotta get y'all some slow-mo, because this will probably be the last time I get some slow-mo, but I think I'm gonna probably wait till they're cleaned up just so we can make it that much better. So we'll start with this blue one. Now that we got, what's up? What's up? Now that we got the garage cleaned out, we'll pull the black one in and then get the blue one right here, or under some shade rather, because it is kind of hot today. So we can just start with the blue and get that one all cleaned up and park it. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. Alrighty, man, got these things pulled back in here. It's time to get Big Blue cleaned up, man. This thing looks so good. Like, I ain't gonna even hold you. I low-key want to paint the black one, but I don't know. We'll just have to see after this one is out of here, so I can have a clear mind of what I want to do. But we'll get this thing all cleaned up, followed by the black one, and you know, get some slow-mo clips and all that good stuff, man. So let's get it in. Got that thing cleaned down, man. Oh my goodness, literally every piece. Just touched it, went over it, man. So y'all gonna get a real clean, nice bike. Everything gonna be shined up to a T. Frame gonna be A1. Everything gleamed up. See what's going on. Back wheel all cleaned and everything. I'm sure a lot of people don't even touch their back wheel. But man, frame and everything is on point. That blue is hidden. I didn't even do the back yet. Didn't even do the back. I'll tackle that real quick, but everything on this side is just plushed out, man. We'll get it all pulled out in the sun in a sec, but just had to show y'all real quick, like, sheesh. Alrighty guys, now that we got that out the way, man, the blue bike does look really, really great. I just love it. Can't wait to see who gets it. We're at about 35 spots right now at this moment. So as I tidy up this bike, man, the giveaway should come to a complete really soon. So gonna stuff this one back in the corner over here, and then we're gonna tackle this black bike because that front wheel line I think is dirty. Clean it to my liking, but we did, however, knock all the dirt and stuff off that was on there, so it does look a lot better than it was. So I'm gonna leave it like that. But I'm digging it, man. What do you guys think about the 21 on this joint? Waiting for that wraparound to come in. Can't wait, dog. Can't wait. I guess we could probably get you a cold start on this one since it ain't been started in a long time, and then we just do that wheel. So just want to take it around real quick. But man, it does look good from this side, man. Cold start. clean. We probably got about 30 tickets left for the blue bike, man. Make sure you log into everythingsregular.com to get your ticket today. This thing is prowling, dog. Prowling right now. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We got both of the bikes cleaned up, both of them in here looking really good, man. The blue one will belong to one of you guys in E-Day now. We only got about like 30 tickets left, man. So by the time this video is probably out, maybe by tonight, who knows, we may get a complete full count on the slots that's open. So we'll see, and I'll keep you updated with that. Without further ado, man, if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Man, I'm gonna have to catch you on the next one, man. Them things look so good, dog. But yeah, man, catch you on the next one, dog. Peace.